Greetings to one and all. As we begin our comprehensive overview of Ramakrishna Senior Secondary School, the first thing that captures attention is the school's name. Prominently displayed on the grand entrance gate, a symbol of our institutional pride, discipline, and academic legacy. Encircling the entire campus is a robust boundary wall, designed not only for security but also to ensure privacy and a safe learning environment. We have thoughtfully designated parking spaces both inside and outside the campus, while the external area supports smooth parking for the staff members. The internal parking zone is available for parking the school buses, reinforcing our commitment to structured community-oriented planning. Upon entering, one is welcomed by a spacious open courtyard. Towards the left of the entrance, a flat cemented pathway leads directly from the main gate to the school lift, allowing children with special needs to access upper floors without barriers. This thoughtfully designed surface ensures smooth mobility and enables them to reach their classrooms comfortably and independently. Our commitment to hands-on experiential learning is clearly reflected in our state-of-the-art laboratory infrastructure, each tailored to deepen subject understanding and spark curiosity. At our school, the biology laboratory is a dedicated space where scientific inquiry and observation come alive. Aligned with CBSE norms and the National Education Policy 2020 as instructed by the SOPs, the lab supports experiential learning, scientific curiosity, and hands-on exploration that nurtures future biologists, healthcare professionals, and researchers. The physical infrastructure of our biology lab spans 753 square feet, providing a safe, spacious, and a well-ventilated environment where students can explore and learn. The layout is thoughtfully designed to accommodate group experiments, independent research, and teacher-led demonstrations comfortably. To promote discipline and ensure smooth functioning, clear do's and don'ts are prominently displayed. Students are regularly reminded to handle equipments with care, clean up after themselves, avoid horseplay, and report any spills or breakages immediately. Supervision is mandatory during all lab sessions. For safety preparedness, a fire extinguisher is strategically placed and regularly inspected to meet school safety protocols. Our lab showcases a rich array of 3D models for detailed observation. A variety of animal specimens, preserved in jars, and plant specimens pressed in catalog provide students with first-hand observation. We maintain a balance between non-consumable items such as microscopes, dissection kits, spirit lamps, glass slides, magnifying glasses, and tripod stands, and consumable items like chemicals, stains, cotton, litmus paper, and test tubes. Regular inventory and refills ensure students have uninterrupted access to necessary materials. A green board is installed for instructors to deliver explanations and illustrate diagrams live during experiments, ensuring theoretical and practical alignment. A structured timetable ensures each class gets equitable lab access based on their syllabus requirements and experiments while maintaining order and preventing overcrowding. The lab houses essential biology equipments, all maintained and calibrated regularly for precise observation and experimentation. A sink with a continuous water supply is installed in a designated corner for cleaning glassware and handling liquid-based experiments safely. To promote hygiene and eco-friendly practices, waste management dustbins with proper segregation are available in the lab. Exhaust fans are installed for ventilation, helping to maintain air circulation during practical sessions. In case of minor accidents, the lab is also equipped with a well-stocked first aid kit. All lab staff and teachers are familiar with its usage and emergency response procedures. Finally, educational models and charts displayed all around the lab help reinforce theoretical knowledge and make the lab visually stimulating and informative. At our school, the biology lab is more than just a room with equipment. It's a gateway to discovery, curiosity, and scientific excellence. At our school, the chemistry lab is designed to foster scientific thinking and practical application through safe and structured experimentation. Fully compliant with CBSE norms, SOPs, and aligned with the National Education Policy 2020, our lab creates an immersive environment where students can explore the world of atoms, reactions, and molecular structures. The physical infrastructure of 731 square feet of the lab spans a well-ventilated, well-lit area, offering ample space for group activities, individual experimentations, and teacher-led demonstrations. This layout ensures a smooth movement and easy access to equipments and safety tools. A teaching facility with a green board is installed at the front of the lab, supporting visual explanations, formulas, and step-by-step demonstrations during practical lessons. The lab is equipped with demonstration table, and each student's workstation has its own sink with continuous running water, ensuring safe disposal of chemical residues and immediate cleanup during or after experiments. A dedicated display board showcases all essential lab information, experiments for separate classes, do's and don'ts, class-wise timetable, and prominently displayed helpline numbers for safety and emergency services. These visual reminders play a critical role in building a responsible lab culture among students. For experiments requiring thermal processes, gas burners are installed at every workstation, equipped with safety control valves to regulate usage during heating tasks. We ensure waste management through clearly segregated dustbins. A regularly inspected fire extinguisher is installed within the lab premises to meet all safety requirements. Exhaust fans are placed strategically to maintain cross-ventilation and remove chemical fumes or vapors, ensuring breathable and safe air circulation at all times. The lab is equipped with a fully functional first aid kit, allowing for swift first response actions under teacher supervision. Use of chemicals is closely monitored. Students are given repeated instructions on safe handling techniques, including wearing gloves, using droppers or pipettes, and avoiding direct inhalation or contact. Experiments are conducted under close supervision. All chemicals are stored with utmost care. Separate chemical storage cabinets are used to prevent reactions. Each bottle and container is clearly labeled and stock is checked periodically for expiry and safety compliance. At our school, the physics laboratory is a thoughtfully designed academic space that nurtures scientific exploration, practical understanding, and analytical thinking, all in alignment with the CBSE curriculum, SOPs, and NEP 2020 guidelines. Our lab spans 753 square feet, providing sufficient space for conducting a wide range of physics experiments in a safe and organized manner. A green board and dedicated demonstration area support the teacher's instructions and student learning. Clear visibility and structured layouts ensure that practical explanations reach every learner effectively. A sink with running water placed in a designated corner of the lab facilitates basic washing and experiment-related needs. The lab also follows waste segregation protocols with designated bins for safe disposal of materials. Safety remains a top priority. The lab is equipped with a functional fire extinguisher and exhaust fans ensure adequate ventilation during demonstrations or heat-based experiments. A fully stocked first aid kit is also available to address any minor mishaps immediately. Important information like the lab timetable, do's and don'ts and helpline numbers are displayed prominently on the lab display boards, promoting a culture of awareness, discipline and safety. In terms of equipment, the lab includes all essential apparatus and tools necessary for hands-on experiments in physics. Each item is neatly organized and clearly labeled to support efficient and safe usage during practical sessions. Through its structured design, disciplined usage, and learner-friendly environment, the physics lab plays a vital role in developing scientific curiosity, problem-solving skills, and a sound understanding of physical principles among students. The mathematics lab turns abstract theories into hands-on learning using geometry kits, number models, and logical puzzles. Sessions run according to a set timetable, resources are monitored through stock registers, and students prepare activity-based practical files reflecting their lab experiences. At our school, the computer laboratory is not just a place to operate machines. It's a dynamic learning hub where innovation, creativity, and digital literacy come alive. Designed in complete alignment with the CBSE norms and the National Education Policy 2020, our lab is built to empower students with 21st century skills like coding, AI, and digital citizenship. Our computer lab spans over 860 square feet, providing ample space for hands-on learning and collaborative tech-based activities. The lab is airy, well-lit, and ergonomically arranged for maximum efficiency and comfort. When it comes to hardware, we are well equipped. We house over 40 fully functional computer nodes with configuration as per the requirements of SOPs, ensuring smooth operation of all modern software. Our equipment setup supports both curriculum and safety. The lab includes printers, scanners, high-quality webcams, speakers, LAN connectivity, smart TV, projectors, fire extinguishers, and air conditioners, all of which contribute to a safe and immersive learning environment. The software installations cover a wide range of applications essential for academic and skill-based learning. From operating systems and office tools to Python, MySQL, everything is regularly updated and ready to use. We also incorporate open source tools like Google Docs, WordPress, and various other online collaborative platforms to support blended learning experiences. A dedicated high-speed internet connection with substantial bandwidth keeps students connected to the global knowledge network. We've also created a separate server area designed and maintained in alignment with all standard operating procedures. A structured timetable ensures smooth coordination between theory and practical classes. For interactive and effective learning, the lab is equipped with modern teaching tools, offering students a truly immersive experience. Clear do's and don'ts are displayed prominently in the lab, reminding students to maintain discipline, log off systems, avoid unsafe downloads, and always work under supervision. Posters on cyber safety, cybercrime, helpline numbers, and responsible internet use further reinforce digital responsibility and online ethics. Through regular teaching training, inclusive practices for students with special needs, and ongoing system upgrades, we ensure our computer lab remains a cutting-edge space, shaping tomorrow's tech-driven minds today. At our school, the library is more than just a quiet reading zone. It is a dynamic knowledge center that promotes curiosity, independent learning, and a deep love for books. The library entrance opens into a well-structured space that spans 131 square meters. The almirahs are well labeled and carefully organized, housing an impressive collection of 5,709 books, including 436 reference titles, 29 encyclopedias, and a balanced mix of fiction, non-fiction, and academic material. Adjoining the main library is the reading room, equipped with tables and comfortable student stools, providing an ideal environment for silent reading and focused study. We also have the newspaper and magazine section that keeps students informed and connected with the world, with 3 daily newspapers and 15 educational magazines available at all times. The library is also visually engaging and instructive. The walls are adorned with motivational quotes, idioms and phrases, rules to be followed, and the library laws framed by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, the father of library science in India. These visual aids not only inspire, but also reinforce good reading habits and discipline among students. A dedicated teacher's table is placed for supervision and assistance, ensuring guided access and orderliness. With its carefully curated resources and welcoming atmosphere, the school library empowers students to develop strong reading habits, conduct independent research, and grow into confident, informed leaders ready to take on the world.
The school has CWSN, Children with Special Needs toilets on 2 floors, designed as per the standard operating procedures. These toilets are wheelchair accessible, allowing students to move safely and comfortably inside. Each toilet is equipped with handrails on both sides of the seat to provide support for the students. There is a wash basin placed at an appropriate height so that students can wash their hands while sitting on the wheelchair. Separate toilets for boys and girls have been provided, ensuring convenience and comfort for all the children.
To further enhance accessibility, a modern spacious elevator connects all floors of the school building. This lift is particularly beneficial for students and staff with physical disabilities, enabling them to reach classrooms, labs, and activity areas with comfort and dignity. Staying hydrated is essential, and for this, we've ensured the installation of dual drinking water units on every floor. These units are regularly cleaned and maintained, ensuring a continuous supply of clean, cool, and safe drinking water throughout the school day. The water supply is monitored for quality, and filtration systems are routinely checked to meet hygiene standards. With easy accessibility, students can refill their bottles without crowding or delay, promoting healthy hydration habits from a young age. safety is paramount. The school is equipped with fire extinguishers installed at strategic locations across all floors, which are in working condition and regularly inspected as per safety regulations. In addition, surveillance cameras are present on every floor and each classroom, ensuring safety of all the students. Our staff and students are also periodically trained in basic fire safety and evacuation drills, reinforcing a culture of preparedness and responsibility throughout the school. Our classrooms are well lit, ventilated, and thoughtfully arranged to support diverse learning styles. Whether it's a primary or senior secondary class, every room is equipped with modern teaching aids that facilitate interactive and immersive education. Classrooms are vibrant and inclusive, with subject-specific decorated boards that display educational charts, student work, and key concepts, reinforcing daily learning in a visually engaging way. Classes LKG to 9th are fitted with a smart TV, enabling the integration of digital content, audio-visual aids, and online resources into everyday lessons. These tools promote dynamic teaching methods and keep students actively involved in the learning process. Classes LKG to 1st are fitted with air conditioners to promote conducive learning. Here, collaboration, inquiry, and critical thinking are not just encouraged, they are part of the everyday classroom experience. We recognize the important role that co-scholastic activities play in a child's overall development. At our school, this emphasis is reflected in our thoughtfully designed indoor games area and a range of dedicated activity areas. The indoor games area offers students a chance to sharpen their minds and reflexes through games like carom, chess, and ludo, all of which promote focus, strategy, mental agility, and coordination. We have several activity areas, each designed to support a different facet of a child's growth. There's the dance activity area, where both Western and classical dance come alive through rhythm, movement, and expression. We have the Power Yoga activity area, which encourages mindfulness, balance, and overall well-being. There's the Aerobics activity area, which helps students stay active, energetic, and physically fit through fun and structured movement. We also have a classical music activity area where students express their creativity and develop their musical talents. There's the Western Instrumental Music activity area, where budding musicians explore harmony and melody through various instruments. These thoughtfully planned spaces allow students to pursue their interests, unwind creativity, and maintain a healthy balance between academics and personal expression. Complementing these areas is our well-equipped school auditorium, a vibrant cultural hub where students participate in performances, debates, and presentations. It serves as a stage for self-expression, helping students build confidence, public speaking skills, and team collaboration while nurturing their artistic and leadership abilities. At the heart of every great school are its teachers. Our faculty members are not just educators, they're mentors, facilitators, and lifelong learners who guide students with innovation, empathy, and dedication. In the classroom, students engage in dynamic learning experiences. Classroom footage captures how students collaborate, question, explore, and actively participate in their learning journey. Through teachers' workshops, our teaching methodology blends academic rigor with creative, inquiry-based learning, empowering teachers that fosters independent thinkers and lifelong learners. Through interactive discussions and teachers' enrichment programs, our classroom fosters an environment where students take ownership of their education. This collaborative approach enhances teaching learning methodologies. With world-class infrastructure, inclusive ethos, and a progressive vision of arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached, Ramakrishna Senior Secondary School stands tall as a nurturing ground for future-ready, confident, and responsible citizens of tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our institution.